this next portion. I remember long enough.
His name is Steven
Pollard?
With a ball.
What's wrong with you, fool? What is Gaddis doing, fool?
With a ball.
What's wrong with Gaddis, fool? What are you doing? Talk to the camera. You keep looking at your hole and trying to hit it away. No, you're on TV, motherfucker.
I want to be on TV.
Well, too bad. It's fucking videotape, shit.
This is all about Steven. This is my boy, Steven. This is my boy, Steven.
I can't hold. See, let's start recording.
That shit was fucking good, boy.
What are you talking about, fool? What are you talking about, fool? Did you make that shit up?
Yeah.
He
just made it up. It just happened.
Right now.
Right now. Yeah, right in front of your face, John.
Are you serious? I gotta spit.
That's on your remember, that's on your camera. Where's their spit?
What do you
Where's their spit? There's somewhere to spit, guys.
You pushed this damn thing, fool.
We're still getting camera guy. Can't hold on to shit.
Yeah, this fool.
See, watching the movie, just watching the movie, you see this light. What the hell is this camera guy seeing?
It seemed a lot more entertaining at the time I was recording it. That's what it's going to be thinking. Right? How did I make that assumption? How can I come to that fucking assumption, fool? And that's all for Steven, right?
And Steven, and you could.
What do you have to say for yourself? Cameron's house? What? How much now does Cameron? What did she even say? That's it?